So what's up guys, your best friend here, and today we're playing a new update game. You guys maybe know what it is. It is a new update. Yeah, this is the new update that nobody's know. And today we're driving a lot of new update trains in this game. You didn't know. But I maybe remember what motto it is. You didn't know. And you guys can know, you can see. Spawn a train. And I don't know how fast. What train? And today, we're driving these two trains. And today we're driving the new update trains. You didn't know. No, but you guys can know how fast this train are. But nobody's know. This is actually a real MTA. But this is actually a real subway train that you didn't know. You can see the train is super realistic with realistic tire. You can see the subway train how beautiful it is. So we only can drive these two trains because of the thing. That you know. Chef only. Chef only. This is W line.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
So I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Why is this even open? This is to walk away. Whoa. Why is this so slow? I do not know why. But let's drive to 60. And this is I'm going to the
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic ahead of us. Please be patient. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Please. Ding dong. Why does the doors close this way? I did not know why. And you guys can know, I have lots of fans with me. I don't know why. But I am actually driving too fast. But I don't know why it's that slow. Somebody just going to the track. And sorry because of that. Yeah, we're delayed because of a train traffic
ahead of us. We apologize for any inconvenience.
Sorry everybody, we just stuck and everybody walked back to the central terminal. We are apologize for the convenience. Yeah. New York City. 6 p.m. There's go nothing. Drive my max.
Stand clear of the closing door.
Hello? Why is this train broken?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic ahead of us. Please be patient.
Oh. Okay. Somebody drive the R160. Yeah.
Stand clear of the
Closing doors, please. Hold on, I'm a big YouTuber, fans. Open destination to F to Blood Island. Now stop 2050 with a 6 station. Thank you of that lag, you bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are being held momentarily by the train's dispatcher. Thank you for your patience.
Sorry, everybody. Yeah. Okay, you can see we're moving pretty fast. Frick you, bro. Okay, go straight ahead. Finally, go straight ahead. Finally, we are moving, bro. Thanks for the lag, too. So this is actually the new train that we have, and even that thing. You can see we're driving pretty fast. Going over the whole network. We finished this journey. Absolutely finished the video. You didn't know, but we were actually just doing pretty good. You didn't know. Going over High Street, and I remember there's a near stop right in the open. Let's going back. And okay. We're actually going back for no reason. But we missed the station a little bit. Bro, stop, bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are being held momentarily by the train's dispatcher.
Thank you for the closing doors, please. Dun. Okay, we can see we're driving fast, and you can see. Can we stop again? Wait. What is the matter with this game, bro? Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time, bye.